Decor Designs, where we delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Today, we delve into the often overlooked yet critically important aspect of residential design, front yard garden landscaping designs. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The front yard serves as the initial visual representation of your home, and its aesthetic quality significantly impacts both property value and personal satisfaction. What, precisely, is the meaning of front yard garden landscaping? In its essence, front yard garden landscaping involves the strategic planning and execution of outdoor design elements within the space situated between your home's facade and the street. This encompasses the selection and placement of plant life, the integration of hardscaping features like pathways and retaining walls, and the overall composition of the space to achieve a cohesive and visually pleasing effect. It is not merely planting flowers, it is the deliberate orchestration of natural and constructed elements to create a harmonious and functional environment. Why, then, is it imperative to dedicate resources to designing your front yard garden landscaping? The answer extends beyond mere aesthetics. A well-designed front yard enhances curb appeal, thereby increasing property value. It creates a welcoming atmosphere for visitors and residents alike. Furthermore, it can contribute to environmental sustainability by promoting biodiversity and reducing stormwater runoff. Neglecting this crucial area can result in a disjointed and uninviting exterior, detracting from the overall appeal of the residence. Effective landscaping is an investment in both visual appeal and practical functionality. How does one effectively decorate a front yard garden landscaping to achieve a truly beautiful result? The process begins with a comprehensive assessment of the existing space, considering factors such as soil type, sunlight exposure, and architectural style. A well-defined design plan is essential, outlining the placement of plant life, hardscaping elements, and any desired water features. Consider the scale of the space and choose plants that complement the architectural style of your home. Incorporating a variety of textures and colors can add depth and visual interest. Maintaining a balance between open space and planted areas is also crucial. What are some of the most effective ideas for front yard garden landscaping? Let us examine 10 key strategies for beautiful front yard garden landscaping ideas. 1. Formal symmetry. This design philosophy revolves around creating a mirror image effect on either side of a central axis. Employing precisely trimmed hedges, topiaries, and geometrically patterned flower beds, it conveys a sense of order and sophistication. This approach is particularly suitable for Georgian, Victorian, or other traditional architectural styles where a sense of balance and formality is desired. The meticulous nature of this style requires consistent maintenance to preserve its intended effect. 2. Naturalistic curves. Departing from rigid formality, this style embraces flowing lines and organic shapes, mimicking natural landscapes. Pathways meander, flower beds curve gently, and plant selections prioritize natural forms. This approach softens the overall appearance of the front yard, creating a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. It harmonizes exceptionally well with modern, contemporary, or craftsman-style homes, where a more informal and integrated connection with nature is sought. 3. Xeriscaping for sustainability. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, xeriscaping offers a responsible and aesthetically pleasing solution. It emphasizes the use of drought-tolerant plants, gravel mulches, and efficient irrigation techniques. This approach minimizes water consumption while still providing a visually appealing landscape. It is particularly beneficial in arid and semi-arid climates, where water conservation is paramount. Plant selections include succulents, native grasses, and drought-resistant shrubs, creating a resilient and low-maintenance landscape. 4. Layered plantings. This technique involves arranging plants in tiers, creating depth and dimension. Taller shrubs and trees form the backdrop, while medium-sized flowering plants occupy the middle ground, and low-growing ground covers fill the foreground. This layering effect adds visual complexity and richness, transforming a flat landscape into a dynamic and engaging space. It allows for a greater diversity of plant life and creates a sense of depth and perspective. 5. Pathway integration. A well-defined pathway serves as a functional and aesthetic element, guiding visitors from the street to the front door. The choice of materials, such as stone, brick, or concrete pavers, should complement the architectural style of the home. A thoughtfully designed pathway creates a sense of direction and adds visual interest. Consider the width and curvature of the pathway to ensure both functionality and aesthetic appeal. 6. Focal point creation. Establishing a central focal point draws the eye and creates a sense of drama. This can be achieved through a variety of elements, such as a water fountain, a sculpture, a specimen tree, or a meticulously designed flower bed. The focal point should be strategically placed to maximize its visual impact and create a sense of balance within the landscape. It serves as a visual anchor, providing a point of interest and enhancing the overall composition. 7. Color coordination. Selecting a cohesive color palette for plants and hardscaping elements is crucial for creating a unified and harmonious appearance. Consider the color of the home's exterior and choose plants that complement or contrast effectively. A well-coordinated color scheme enhances visual appeal and creates a sense of balance and harmony. 8. Seasonal interest. Incorporating plants that bloom at different times of the year ensures continuous visual appeal throughout the seasons. This involves selecting a variety of plants with staggered blooming periods, providing a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Deciduous trees offer seasonal foliage changes, while flowering shrubs and perennials provide a succession of blooms. 9. Vertical elements. Utilizing trellises, arbors, or climbing plants adds vertical dimension, creating a sense of enclosure and privacy. Climbing roses, clematis, and wisteria are excellent choices for adding vertical interest. These elements can also serve as supports for vines, creating a lush and verdant backdrop. 10. Lighting design. Strategic placement of outdoor lighting enhances safety and highlights key features, transforming the landscape at night. Path lighting illuminates pathways and steps, while accent lighting highlights specimen trees, sculptures, or architectural features. Consider the color temperature and intensity of the lighting to create a desired ambience. Well-designed lighting enhances the beauty of the landscape and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Implementing these strategies requires careful consideration and planning. It is advisable to consult with a professional landscape designer to ensure optimal results. Remember that the front yard is your home's first impression, and investing in its design yields significant returns in both aesthetic and practical terms. We at Homes Decor Designs encourage you to approach your front yard landscaping with a thoughtful and deliberate mindset. By applying these principles, you can create a space that is not only visually stunning but also a true reflection of your personal style. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more expert insights on home decor and design. Leave your questions and comments below, and we will address them in future videos. Thank you for joining us. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.